This has just been an absolute... Ow! Boring. It's... The problem is that I think that it's right the way back there, and if I put the chisel in, I'm only that far in, which isn't really where I want to be. The big issue at the moment is getting that bit of pipe out. As you can see, I've had to cut the old pipe off.
Yeah.
No, not yet. No, have you got a longer chisel? Oh.
He has got shit you have never seen.
Yeah, so.
What are we, fucking Vikings?
Yeah, that's just punched a hole in it. Right, yeah, where's that saw, Simon? Okay. Let's see what we can do.
Two hours later. 3 days later. 3 weeks later.
Right, so we've got a slot have a look and see. So let's have another go with the hammer. Right, so I've got a screwdriver, and then now, so let's see how far that's gone down. Right, that's about right. Have a look. See where I can get this. Right. Yeah, that's actually gone through. And luckily it hasn't damaged the... Yeah, it hasn't damaged the... pipe. However,
Primitive but effective.
okie doke. So let's see whether... Right, let's have a look. No, that's not doing jack shit.
Tell me they got that in slow motion.
I've had to switch camera because I think that that one has either run out of battery or its memory's full. Right, so as you can see, hang on, God, I don't know what's wrong with me and cameras today. But anyway, yeah, as I was saying, so I need to bleed off the caliper. Just taking a look at that. Yeah. Okay. Well, I'm gonna grab this torch and just burn off whatever, you know, just apply a little bit of heat on there and just burn off all that wet. Right, I think my bleeding nipple needs tightening a bit, or it may even need replacing. I might replace it. I've got spare ones anyway. Don't know if you can see that or not. But it seems like, yeah, we have got a bit of a leak there. It might just be a case of I need to just nip it up a little bit with the brake key, which is brake spanner, but I can do that anyway. Soon enough. I mean, it's not like there's no point in nipping it right up now. Oh, is that the key? No, that isn't the key. Yeah, I can do that anyway when I come to bleed that caliper off properly, which will involve somebody sitting in the car. Right, so there will be more updates as progress goes on. Right, so oh dear, everything's back together, and what I'm gonna show you now is that hang on, right, so take two. Right, so as you can see, that was ready for going right there, and you can also see the little pinholes that I had. Now it's odd that it's just done one stripe all the way down. You know, the rest of the exhaust is absolutely fine. I mean, it's not like all that's useful for it at the moment is scrap. But turn the torch on. As you can see, we've got a brand new exhaust on. Right, need to wipe some of that red rubber grease off. That's all tightened up as well, so it's just a question now of dropping the car down, and then I need to bring the brakes off and then get the wheels back on, and once I've done that, I'm ready to roll. Right, so I'm not going to film me dropping the car down. I'm not going to film me bleeding the brakes off, because I mean, it's not like you've seen me do it all before. If you haven't, well, check out my old videos.